off today after 2 months, so we gave her a rest. So today, let's dive in on how she is working each and every day in her classroom. Come, Oleva. I already had my red light therapy before this because I wanted to chill myself, but there's so many things to do here. Let me show you our cats. To turn off this, we have Joya, this is Hannah, she's pregnant right now. Some of the cats are actually on the cage so they don't disturb us while cleaning. And there's a lot we need first to clean all. We can do this. Are you sure you're gonna do this? You look like not gonna work. Hannah! Labas! Every 2 hours, we don't want any litter boxes to be filled in for a long time. Raggles are very fancy when it comes to doing their litters. If they see that the actual litter box is dirty, they don't want to touch it, especially Joya. Joya, the biggest cat that we have, is from China. Never done this in such a long time. I'm always not here. Second is my nanny takes care of her. Almost most of the time, she does all of it. So, we're done. Joya, he's already on the cage. What is your problem? This is the reason why we don't put them out. You see, Joya is one of the biggest cats that we do have, and what he does, he fights everyone. So we cannot put them all out. When we put this guy out, I don't know, maybe because he's the biggest one. This needs to be from. I don't like broken things. Joya, leave him alone. We are currently using all-purpose vinegar. Cleaner, this is very expensive here, but you can create this by just buying an actual all-purpose vinegar and then mix it with lemon, a bit of lavender if you want it. That's how we mop our actual classroom. Because those... Joya! Joya! You are... Joya! Shh! Why are you fighting with him? Joya! Joya! Joya, do you understand? Joya! 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 What? Ay nako. Here. You need to relax. Come here, come here, come here. Oh. Here. Here. Take your... Relax. Little high. Do. Oh my God. So this is a catnip. So if you think your cat is a bit stressed, catnip is like the antidepressant for cats. So they're healthy and they just drool around once they smell it. So it's like, I don't know, like maybe mini drug. But it's a healthy snacks for cats. If they're stressed, if they're agitated, you give them this. It's catnip. We love them. We love to treat them like this if they're stressed. Especially this cat. This cat is so why are you fighting with me? Come, go outside. I will put you in another place. Because this guy, I don't understand. Go in the other cage. And just stay here for now. You relax? Huh? Are you okay? Open your eyes. This is hard. So, for people who are thinking, Nanny is from Uganda. She does really do the hard work of taking care of all my cats because these cats have helped me to recover from many things in life. You have no idea how they can completely heal someone's depression. So, for those people who are depressed, get a pet. Don't get a bottle of don't get a bottle of drinks, don't get a bottle of toxicity. Get a pet and indulge yourself in a freaking nature, because those are free stuff that can completely shut down your parasympathetic nerve, those stress hormones that you have, and let you focus in the. So now we're gonna see sweep the floor. Get them off the floor. In that all the corners. Make sure it's Lisa is keeping some stuff here that I don't know if they are still being used. I haven't had my coffee. I have my lemon and water. So in the morning, for Joya, the biggest cat that you saw, we add a bit of, he has a specific food because he gains weight more faster than the actual other ragdolls. Ragdolls he's from China, but the other ones that I do have is from Georgia. So they have a different genetics. Now we put cat mix. Cat mix, it has taurine, which is I love, which is for their eyesight and all this stuff. So we put that at least 1 scoop for every cat. Omega-3 is for their hair, for their skin, for omega-3 fatty acids. So maybe you're thinking like, oh, what the heck is omega-3? I'm not even drinking that, but omega-3, I have omega-3 as well, which is for people. Now for the cats, it's very important because of their hair. These cats have huge fur, so it's important that they get supported enough nutrients that they do have, that they do need each day. So we do this, just 1 drop is enough, and you can get this from iHerb. I get it from iHerb. I'm gonna be putting the links below if you wanted to get it, but I suggest that you do get it from there because you can save a lot of money instead buying it from different, from other places. But this is one of the best ones that I have been using so far since day 1. And the invested owners, once they get our kittens from us, they have to buy the specific brand because these cats, they are very sensitive on the smell. Some of them, they will not like this other smell of the other brand because they already get used to this kind of smell, the same scent, the same, they are used to sticking to one thing. Where are the mothers? We put the mothers first. Mother Hannah, Joya, Hannah, can you move a little bit? Because I put him on the opposite side. Patuti is not eating a lot. I think she's about to give birth. You will know that a mother cat is going to give birth once they are stopped eating. So you can see the only cat that's eating is Joya.
Like the sound.